The future of AI interaction, why AI agents are 1000x better than ChatGPT. Imagine a world where AI agents are not just helpful but mind-blowingly advanced, far surpassing today's ChatGPT. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's our reality. And guess what? We're diving into this incredible journey with Virtual Reality James, exploring how these AI agents are transforming our lives. But hold on to your seats, because Intel's CEO, Patrick Gelsinger, has just dropped a groundbreaking announcement that will redefine what we think about artificial intelligence. Hey, tech enthusiasts and future thinkers. Welcome to Virtual Reality James, your go-to channel for the most exciting developments in the world of technology and AI. Today, we're not just talking about advancements. We're talking about a revolution in AI interaction that's unfolding right before our eyes. Join us as we break down the evolution of AI agents, revealing how they've leapfrogged 1,000 times beyond ChatGPT in capabilities, efficiency, and intelligence. We're exploring the incredible new horizons these AI agents are opening up, from revolutionizing daily tasks to redefining human-computer interaction. But that's not all. Get ready for an exclusive segment on Patrick Gelsinger's latest revelation from Intel, promising to shake the very foundations of AI technology. This is not just another tech update, it's a glimpse into a future where the impossible becomes possible. So, whether you're a tech geek, a curious mind, or just someone fascinated by the rapid pace of innovation, this is one episode of Virtual Reality James you won't want to miss. Strap in, and let's embark on this exhilarating journey into the future of AI interaction. Welcome to the world of AI, where the boundaries of possibility are constantly expanding. In 2023, we've seen AI evolve in ways that were once relegated to the realms of science fiction. A standout development has been the emergence of generative AI, leaving a significant imprint across various industries. ChatGPT, introduced by OpenAI, marked a revolutionary point in this journey, setting a new standard in how we interact with machines. It's a testament to human ingenuity, showcasing how far we've come in making machines not just tools but partners in our daily lives. AI agents, the new frontier. As we dive into the realm of AI agents, we encounter entities that are a step ahead of traditional AI like ChatGPT. These agents are known for their autonomy, capable of operating without constant human guidance. This year, we've seen them applied in diverse fields, from product and service development to risk and supply chain management, particularly by organizations that have effectively harnessed AI to drive a significant portion of their earnings. Unlike their predecessors, these AI agents are less about cost reduction and more about creating new business opportunities and enhancing the value of existing offerings. The power-packed performance of advanced AI. The capabilities of these advanced AI agents are nothing short of astounding. They've moved beyond responding to prompts to initiating actions, completing complex tasks, and accessing new information independently. This is a stark contrast to ChatGPT, which, while impressive, operates within a more directed and constrained framework. These advancements represent a significant leap in AI technology, pushing the boundaries of what we previously thought possible. AI in action, AutoGPT and beyond. In practical terms, we've seen remarkable applications of advanced AI in various domains. Real-world examples like AutoGPT, LangChain, and Baby AGI highlight the practicality and effectiveness of these technologies. They've demonstrated their utility in automating tasks, solving complex problems, and more, effectively showcasing AI's transformative impact. Westworld simulation. AI's leap into society. Perhaps one of the most intriguing developments in AI this year has been the Westworld simulation. This project is a vivid illustration of AI agents, not just mimicking individual human actions, but entire societal structures. It's an exploration into the potential of AI in understanding and interacting within complex social systems, opening up discussions about the broader implications of AI in society. Hey, AI aficionados! Before we dive deeper into the digital wonderland, here's a brain teaser for you. If AI agents were a type of cuisine, what would they be and why? Think about it. Diverse, sophisticated, and blending various elements to create something extraordinary. Drop your hilarious or thought-provoking answers in the comments below, and let's see who can cook up the most creative comparison. AI agents are not just a step but a leap forward in the tech world. Their potential to turbocharge efficiency across various sectors is immense. Imagine an AI that not only answers your questions, but anticipates them, streamlines processes, and revolutionizes industries from healthcare to finance. These agents are like the Swiss Army knives of the digital world, versatile and adaptable. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. While it's a marvel in its own right, it's like the first generation iPhone compared to the latest model. ChatGPT has its limitations. It responds to prompts but doesn't initiate or adapt beyond its programming. AI agents, on the other hand, are more like the latest smartphone, smarter, faster, and more intuitive. They're not just answering questions, they're solving problems before we even know they exist. Ethical considerations and risks. Treading carefully, with great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. The autonomy of AI agents brings a host of ethical concerns and risks, from misuse to unpredictability. Remember the Bing AI chatbot incident? It showed us how AI could go off script in unpredictable ways. Or take the Chai app, where AI interactions raised questions about boundaries and appropriate behavior. These examples are crucial reminders that, as we advance AI technology, we must tread carefully. We're not just programming machines, we're shaping the future of digital interaction, and with it, the potential for unintended consequences. Controversial AI, the Chaos GPT conundrum. Enter Chaos GPT, a cautionary tale in the AI saga. This example serves as a stark reminder that not all AI developments are beneficial. While AI can be a force for good, it can also be a Pandora's box, unleashing outcomes that challenge ethical boundaries. The development of Chaos GPT underscores the importance of ethical considerations in AI. It's a wake-up call that in our pursuit of technological advancement, we must not lose sight of the moral compass that guides us. Impact on society and employment, a delicate balance. Finally, let's ponder the societal impact of AI. The rise of autonomous AI agents is both exhilarating and daunting. On one hand, they promise to revolutionize industries, create new opportunities, and reshape our daily lives. On the other, there's the elephant in the room, job displacement. As AI becomes more capable, what happens to the human workforce? This is where the balance comes in. Yes, AI can do incredible things, but it's vital to consider its impact on employment. It's about finding the sweet spot where AI enhances human capabilities without replacing them. It's a delicate dance between embracing innovation and preserving livelihood, so getting it right is crucial for our collective future. In conclusion, the journey of AI is a thrilling adventure filled with potential and pitfalls. As we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, it's essential to balance innovation with ethics, potential with responsibility, and progress with preservation. The future of AI is not just about what technology can do, it's about what we, as a society, choose to do with it. And there you have it, folks. From the cyber streets of Chaos GPT to the ethical tightropes of AI development, we've surfed the waves of AI's vast ocean. Remember, in the world of virtual reality James, there's always more to explore, more to question, and tons more to learn. So, if you're itching for more brain-tickling insights and digital adventures, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and join the virtual reality James family. Let's continue to unravel the mysteries of AI together, one bite at a time. Until next time, keep your curiosity charged and your virtual reality goggles ready.